I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you found yourself with locked funds on Kraken, follow these steps to recover your access. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Check your account status. Once logged in, navigate to the funding tab to check the status of your funds. Look for any alerts or notifications regarding locked funds. Step 3. Verify your identity. If your funds are locked due to verification issues, go to the security section and complete any pending identity verification steps. This may include uploading documents. Step 4. Contact Kraken support. If your funds remain locked after verification, reach out to Kraken support. Use the help section to submit a ticket detailing your issue. Include screenshots if possible. Step 5. Follow up. After submitting your request, keep an eye on your email for updates from Kraken support. They may ask for additional information, so respond promptly to expedite the process. Recovering locked funds can be a hassle, but following these steps should help you get back on track. Good luck!